Hey, it's Charlene Bond of Prolific Expressions Web Design. And today I will be showing you how to change the text content on your website. If you have a WordPress website and you're using Elementor, um, this will surely help you. Now, before I get started, I do want to apologize because my voice may sound a little raspy. I am trying to overcome a very sore throat, so please bear with me. Thank you for tuning in. But now we're going to get started. As you can see, I'm already logged into the website that I'm going to be using for this example. And for this particular example, we're going to be changing the text content, as you can see here. So I scroll down the page, my text content for this example is here. This is the About section, and we are going to change that. Relatively simple, but you want to make sure you know what you're doing and you want to be very careful when you do this. So if you're logged into your website, um, you should see your the toolbar at the top um, with a few options. Here, you can go to your WordPress dashboard, and there's some other options here, but what we're going to be focusing on is this edit with Elementor option. And this option is pretty much accessible from any page. So you can literally click on any page that you want to change your text content on and select edit with Elementor, and it will allow you to edit. We're going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to go ahead and select edit with Elementor. Once you select edit, it will load and you should see your page that you want to edit. We're going to scroll down. Okay, now as you scroll down this page, you will see these blue lines, these blue borders here. You want to be very careful not to click those because that will it can completely destroy the layout and the functionality of your website. So do be mindful of that. You also want to be mindful that you are selecting only the content or the text that you want to change. So as you can see here in the header, I have selected that, and on the left side it pops up with the title header. In the body, I have selected the paragraph and it has changed on the left side. Okay, so um, for this example, we're going to change this body content here. Okay, so if I am, if I'm not clicked, if I haven't clicked on anything, any text, this is what you will see on the left side. So you want to make sure you click on the text that you want to change. And once you click on that text, you will see the text here. And so what we're going to do is just pretty much replace this text. And I have some just some another placement text here that I'm going to copy and paste into this section. And now, as you can see, when I've copied and pasted this, it did change a bit because the text is longer than what I originally had. So if we go back, you can see the difference. So that's why you want to be very mindful of the changes that you make. So you have to be strategic when you are making these changes. And so if I paste the text here, this text is a little bit long. So if I just take some out, it aligns this about how I would want it. And there you have it. The text is now changed. So my recommendation to you when you are adding content to your website is to pretty much focus on, if you have any placement there already, you want to focus on making your the text, the content that you're replacing it with, about the same amount of words and paragraphs as that 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 was already placed there. That way you can try to maintain the layout as much as possible. Okay, let's see. So also, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change things like this. It's pretty much the same. You click on the element here, and for this type of element, you have free delivery as the title and description, and then you have you have free delivery as the title, and then for your description you have the free shipping on all order, and it's pretty much the same. You have the title and description in each one. Okay, so just a quick recap. We go back down here, you want to make sure that you are clicking on the text content, but when you change that text content, you want to make sure that you change it over here on the left side, to keep the formatting of the text. So another recommendation for you is to have your text written in a Google Doc or a Word doc with the appropriate spacing and paragraphs that you want, and then you can copy it and paste it right in this box here, and it should keep the same formatting. All right, so that's pretty much it. That is how you change the content. Oh, one last thing. You always want to make sure you select update. I almost forgot. Be sure to select update once you have made the changes that you want to make. And yeah, so once you select that, you can go here and then go to exit to dashboard, and it will take you back to the WordPress dashboard where you see pretty much your dashboard. All right, so I hope that was helpful to you. Please leave a comment or a message and let me know. And again, this is Charlene from Prolific Expressions Web Design.